Hey everyone, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you what is PandaBuy affiliate program. Let's begin. Now, the first thing you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time in PandaBuy, click on the sign up option. And from here, just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. Now, for those who are new here, basically PandaBuy offers two main affiliate programs with them having a slightly different requirements and benefits. Now, the first one is called the Influencer Program, which is very ideal for content creators with established audiences on platforms like YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, and a lot more. Of course, it's very easy to join because all you have to do is fill out an application form on the PandaBuy's website explaining your platform, audience, and experience. All right. Now, the next type of affiliate program is the general affiliate program, wherein it is basically open to anyone with a website, blog, social media account, or even just friends interested in PandaBuy. Now, all you have to do is very easy. Simply sign in for a PandaBuy account and access the section there you'll find your unique affiliate link and track your earnings. Of course, standard affiliate link and coupon code has like commissions on sales on generated through your link. Now, I'm gonna log into my account and I'll let you see my affiliate link. Now, from here, all I have to do is hover to the upper right corner and click on the user center. Now from here, all I have to do is hover down to where it says affiliates, click on that, and from here, as you can see, this is the terms and conditions for the PandaBuy affiliates promotion agreement. If I suggest you read and understand all the information that is available here, and then after doing so, all right, because it really very important at this point to check all that's written here. So all I have to do is okay. Now, after clicking the terms and agreements option button right here, you see you're gonna get a 30% bonus boost based on the bonus of new affiliate shipments. All right, so this is your. Now, these are the three options where you can generate your code. Alright, you can download your QR code by scanning this one. Of course, you can copy the link right here and paste it on your social media platforms like Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and a lot more. Of course, you can copy the invitation code wherein you can put that on the products that you are going to sell here in PandaBuy. Now, based on that, there's like levels of commission structure. As you can see, for the basic affiliate, you'll get like 3.0 bonus rate and 5,000 credit for the bonus rate 4%, and a lot more, right? Now, of course, the more you progress, you get all these perks and benefits. Right now, I'm on the yellow basic affiliate, but if I get like 5,000 credits, I'll get these, the bronze, and then silver, and then gold, plus the ultimate platinum affiliate, right? Now, if you copy the link right here, all right, basically, if you gathered all your friends or colleagues or anyone you have sent your link here on PandaBuy, every time they create a link here in PandaBuy, also the time, for example, they bought a lot of items here, you will get commissions from that. All right, so basically that's how you earn your credits, and from basic you'll progress to the bronze status. For example, another way for you to build credits here in the PandaBuy affiliate program is when you click a certain product right here and you have a very good experience of the order status, the seller are very accommodating and a lot more. You need to share that experience here, all right, in the review section, because from here, when people was attracted because of your experience buying the items here in PandaBuy, especially for a seller, what will happen is you'll get incentivized for that. You'll get certain commissions that would boost your credibility here in the PandaBuy affiliate program. Now, that's one of the ways for you to elevate your status from basic to the silver to platinum and a lot more. All right, so that's one of the ways that you can do it. And of course, when you hover back to the PandaBuy affiliate program, right here, see, you can also earn and go for the crash course that they offer. When you join the course, you can discover the strategies and techniques that help them achieve 100 plus daily affiliate signups on PandaBuy. All right. Of course, they have created this course based on the successful experiences. All I have to do is click on the enroll now button. And from here, you would be able to earn 10,000 US dollars a monthly through the PandaBuy affiliate program. All right. All I have to do after reading all of this information here, you can use the code FIRST10 to get a 50% off. Copy that and click on the start earning today. Now all you have to do is click on the checkout. Please copy the code earlier to get a 50% discount. And after that, if you're interested to level up your experience and strategies here in the PandaBuy affiliates, join the course. All right. Now, if you're wondering what this the affiliate program course is all about, these are the information and the perks that you can take advantage. Okay? Some receives like a 50,000 monthly visits and want to teach you how you can do it too. So it's really easy. All you have to do is sign up in the PandaBuyAffiliates.com, complete the course that you have to pay, and copy the link to get a 50% discount. Of course, you need to take action and earn recurring commissions. All right. And if you are ready again to start earning, just click on the enroll button. Now, the thing is, if you have questions or need assistance about all of these processes and sign up forms, just click on the email here to get in touch with one of the affiliate support team. Right? Click on that, or on your PandaBuy dashboard, hover down below. You see there's an option that you can have like a chat box right here. Click on that and send them a message. Okay? Now from here, all you have to click is the affiliate cooperate. All right? And I believe that's a wrap for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next video.